Is your 2024 real estate business plan finished? Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry Team and eXp Realty. And so that was a real question. Is your 2024 business plan finished? Well, look, to be transparent, mine's not either. I'm sure you said no. But my point here today is now's the time. Don't wait. So many real estate agents wait till November, December to build their business plan, to write their business plan, if in fact they even do one, but they wait too late to get started on it. And so the reason I think it's so important to get it done now, or pretty quickly here, is because of what I call the 90-day effect. I've thought of it this way for a long time, but what that basically means is if we're going to put new plans, new strategies, we're going to make some new hires, we're going to add some people to our team if you have one, whatever it might be, there's going to be a lag time before those things that are implemented actually have an impact on your business. And so if you get them implemented pretty quickly here in short order in conjunction with what's needed for your business plan, by the time they start to take effect and get spinning up here and get ramped up, it'll be 2024 and they'll have a positive impact on your business. If you wait to business plan in November or December, you won't get those new strategies into place till at the minimum November or December. And because it takes that 90 days or so for things to really have an impact, these things won't be having an impact on your real estate business till the end of the first quarter. And so in fact, what you will have written would be a 3/4 year plan when you wrote it in December or whatever. So everything takes time. We have to remember this all the time. Everything takes time to come to fruition, to have an impact. And so waiting just is not a good plan. I highly discourage you from doing that. I said my plan's not finished, and it's not. But I've got some real framework built around it already. In another 10 days or so, it's going to be ready to roll. I'll have everything in place that I need to make sure that we hit the ground running and running hard in January of 2024. Because in the last quarter of 2023, we'll have already been doing that. We'll already have that momentum. We already have the new strategies kicking in. So we need to start now. Now I know you're going to get emails and text messages from different coaching companies and brokers going, hey, come to our business planning clinic. Those are going to start, you're going to start getting those in November and December. And frankly, it's just too late. I'm sure they mean well. I'm sure they were trying to do their best. But frankly, that is just too late. They're missing the mark. Essentially, as I said, basically, if you write your business plan in November, December, you're writing a 3/4 year plan, not a full year plan. So don't wait. Get on it right now. If I can help you in any way with that, if you'd like to get a sneak peek behind the framework I use to write a business plan for our team, for our agents, please reach out. Book a strategy call. Either the link is above here or below here, depending on where you're watching the video, but click that link to book a free strategy call. I'm happy to talk through helping you get set up with a business plan for 2024 that'll make 2024 the best year you've ever had.